Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we will be removing and replacing grille on Mercedes CLK W208, but it will cover probably the E-Class as well, earlier E-Class, so stay with us, guys. We'll show you how to do that now. Not very complicated procedure. If you want to install an aftermarket one or yours needs to be replaced, we can do that now. 8mm socket there. Check out our website, Mechanic Lifestyle. We'll be sharing the links for tools and products used on Amazon. That way you can get them, guys, if you need to work on something. Okay, so check out all the bolts we're removing now. Super simple, not complicated at all. Okay, one more there. And now another thing that you need to be aware of, you need to be careful with the lock, not to break it, because you need to pull straight out. Okay, and you can see, guys, this is the grille. That's how simple it is. It takes less than a minute, as you can see. With all the talking, we still have about a minute video. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.